Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync and few of the updates. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the community is a bit frustrated because they have been waiting for very long for the ZkSync era airdrop. But I personally have a feeling that ZkSync should be able to do the airdrop pretty soon enough. Hopefully we don't have to wait another 1 to 2 years for the airdrop, and by that time I think so the bull run would be over. So I think most probably the airdrop for ZkSync should be in quarter 2 of 2024. Now there are only few days left for the new quarter to start. Now if we go ahead and check their Twitter over here, so as you can see, like they have tweeted 12 hours back that they have tied up with Nansen AI. Now if we go to Nansen AI and check few of the transactions on the ZkSync era, as you can see, the active address is like around 417k as of today. So basically it's not as of today, it's as of 24th March. So as you can see, the active addresses on the ZkSync era is only like around anywhere between 6 to 10%. So it keeps hovering anywhere between 6 to 10%. So if you are active on the ZkSync era network, I think you should be able to get more contracts and more transaction volume and the number of transactions. So for me, I have like, if I remember correctly, more than 300 transactions and around more than 140 plus contracts. So which is a good thing for my wallet, to be honest. And since I use only one wallet and I've already have the Gitcoin passport, so it should be able to pass the anti-Sibyl or Sibyl checks. Now, if we talk about the active address, I personally feel that ZkSync should surprise us anytime soon with the airdrop announcement, because there is a lot of FOMO going on in the market as of now, and most of the airdrop farmers are pretty much tired, and they keep like spamming their Twitter page, which is good actually, because ZkSync should notice this and should listen to the community and should airdrop it as soon as possible. Now, what will happen is like basically if they launch the ZKS token, then there would be a lot of liquidity that would be flowing into ZkSync era, and hopefully all the coins, tokens, NFT collections on the ZkSync era will pump like crazy. Now, if we talk about the transactions over here, as per the gas fees, as you can see, before the Denkan upgrade, the number of transactions and the percentage of gas fees were pretty high. Now after the Denkan upgrade, the gas fees has fallen down drastically. So all the layer 2s are enjoying the lowest possible gas fees. Now if we check over here, as you can see, as of 23rd March, the gas fees is only like around $47,000. Now I'm not sure how much is the monthly earning for ZkSync era with this transaction, but I've heard like if I remember correctly, it's more than $200 million, I think so, per month. I may be right or I may be wrong. I need to go ahead and check it later. Now, if we talk about deployment activity on the ZkSync era, the deployment activity for new tokens and coins have been reduced drastically, because as you can see over here, like only around 200, 300 tokens or coins are launching every day now. And around 1st March it was around 1400, so it has dropped down drastically. Now this can be a better thing, because to be honest, we don't need lot of coins and tokens. We only need some quality projects that can actually make us money. Now of course most of this would be meme coins, and there are few quality meme coins on the ZkSync era network, to be honest. Just to name a few, I will name only few, like there is a Zcat, which is also called as Meow. Then there is Long Mao, and there are a few others here and there, like Beanie is there, and then Hat. So hopefully all the memes start pumping once the ZkSync era does an airdrop. Now, in order to better position yourself, you can also do some transactions on SNSwap, because SNSwap is yet to do an airdrop, and hopefully we can see the airdrop on the SNSwap soon. So basically, you will be able to earn SNSwap tokens. So there are a lot of things that you can do on SNSwap. Oh, as you can see, they have these pools where you can go ahead and add to liquidity pools. Then there is something called as earnings where you will be able to manage your earnings, and they also have something called as a launchpad. So in future, if there are any launchpad on the SNSwap network, I think you should be able to take the advantage of this launchpad. Now I think this will be only opened after the SNSwap airdrop, and then they have something called as a portfolio breach, and they also have this loyalty program. Now I think this loyalty program is stopped or paused for some reason. I'm not sure. I will need to go and check in their Discord and ask the Discord mods or maybe Telegram mods as to why it is stopped. But maybe in the future, if they resume this loyalty programs, you might be able to earn some additional points. And here you can keep swapping, because on SyncSwap and other swaps like ZkSwap, they have like around anywhere between 30 to 99% of gas fee as cashback. So basically you barely pay anything in order to do transactions on such networks. Now the last update is Bitget Wallet has come up with a airdrop tool which is called as ActScan. Now in order to check the airdrop eligibility on ActScan, you have to download a Bitget wallet. Now you can use my sign up referral link in the description in order to sign up with Bitget wallet and transfer assets and also swap on Bitget wallet. That will keep getting you BWP points. Now there is something called as a Bitget wallet airdrop that is going to happen in a month or so. So basically the token generation event for Bitget wallet is around, I think so, if I remember correctly, it's in May or June. Now this should be a decent airdrop, and all you have to do is you will just need to keep some funds in Bitget wallet and also do some transactions. And if you invite more friends, then you will be getting some additional points. Now I personally checked on the ActScan tool, and my wallet rank is pretty decent enough, to be honest, as compared to the NFT Copilot. Now I'm not sure which one is the correct one, because there are a lot of airdrop checkers out there now. So you have to decide. But I personally feel that the Gitcoin Passport 20 plus the number of transactions on the ZkSync era along with paymasters, uh, this should be able to give you a decent airdrop in the future. Now here, once you sign up on the Bitget wallet using the link, you will get 50 BWB points over here, and you can also check with your EVM, Tron and Solana address. So simply go ahead, download this wallet. I would suggest is, and Bitget wallet airdrop should be a decent airdrop. So this is all for this video, and hopefully we see the ZkSync era airdrop soon and make 5-figure income out of ZkSync era airdrop itself. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.